If you're planning to move to Germany as a skilled worker or have already made the move, you might be wondering, can my parents or other family members join me here? Germany has pretty strict rules when it comes to family reunification, but there are certain exceptions that allow parents or even grandparents to move. In this video, I'll explain exactly when this is possible, what requirements need to be met, and what steps you need to take. I spoke to a lawyer specializing in immigration law this year, and he explained the following main options to me. The German Residence Act, also called Aufenthaltsgesetz, regulates immigration, residence, and family reunification for non-EU citizens in Germany. One important aspect of this law is family reunification, which allows certain family members to join their relatives living in Germany under specific conditions. Paragraph 36, Section 3 of the German Residence Act, effective March 1st, 2024, allows parents of certain highly skilled professionals to move to Germany. This applies to parents of foreigners who, from this date, were granted an EU Blue Card, ICT card, mobile ICT card, or a residence permit for roles like executives, specialists, scientists, or engineers. It also includes the spouse's parents if the spouse resides permanently in Germany. General requirements under paragraph 5 of the Residence Act must be met. These include that the family member's living expenses must be secured, which includes insurance, accommodation, etc. This regulation is rather controversial, as anyone who first started working in Germany before March 1st, 2024 is not allowed to live with their parents here. This includes people with the income to support their family and people who have already acquired a German citizenship. But more on this issue in another video. Another way to bring your family to Germany is paragraph 36, section 2. Other relatives may be granted residency to prevent exceptional hardship. This applies to relatives in need of care who cannot be cared for in their country of origin. Unfortunately, this case is hardly ever recognized, as the burden of proof is very high and there must be a particular case of hardship. Paragraph 7 of the German Residence Act allows authorities to grant a residence permit even in cases not explicitly covered by the law, as long as there is a justified interest in doing so. This means that, in rare cases, immigration officers have the discretion to approve residence for family members who wouldn't normally qualify under standard family reunification rules. However, when exactly this option is available is unclear. Finally, family members may attempt to come to Germany independently from their children, for example by moving here as a skilled worker themselves. To submit an application, you must first go to the relevant immigration office in your region. There, you will receive information about which documents are required or if your family is eligible for reunification. In summary, bringing your parents or grandparents to Germany as a skilled worker is quite difficult. While there are some exceptions, the rules are strict and only a limited number of people qualify. In a future video, I'll discuss what could change in the coming years and what policy adjustments might make family reunification easier. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.